Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you the step-by-step process on how to secure your Trust Wallet with two-factor authentication. Now let's start. First is open your Trust Wallet application. Then in the home page, click the main wallet located at the top section. And then in wallet interface, click the setting icon located at the top right corner. Then navigate the security. Now in here, all you have to do is to enable passcode and create passcode. You can also change the lock method by using your biometric. So just tap passcode or biometric, then enter your fingerprint, then click confirm. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.